The next report is business report. This report specially developed for the admin, where admin can track all the revenues, expenses, sales projections, and track the customer feedback. So let's start. In the business report like gross sales, the summary detailed report, refund gross sales and their detailed report, net sale debit position, consolidated reports. So all those reports are under construction. Here you can see the revenue and expenses report for all types of services, group tours, package tour, under other sales like flight, visa, car, etc. So here you can select the particular package tour booking ID, where you will get the total payment or the total selling amount, purchase amount, and your actual profit. This profit we have displayed into the percentage as well. Here you can see the total purchase or the expenses sections. If you have any miscellaneous expenses or after the tour expenses, you can define into the sections, so it will get minus into your profit. So all those report you can export into the Excel file. The next report is sales forecast report. In these sections, depending on your number of inquiries and their budget, the sales forecasting can be done. Like here are different types of services are displayed. Number of strong inquiries, hot inquiries, and the cold inquiries. So here you can see these are the strong inquiries, and here you can define the probability of conversions like 70%. Same for package tours, same for flight booking. So end of this report, here you can see the total sales can be done after this month. These you can save for your references, and after the completion of the month, here you can see the budgeted versus actual sales. Again you can define the duration, and click on proceed. So here you can see services details. This is your budgeted sales and this is actually happened. Same for here for all services. The variance means the difference in percentage, expected probabilities, and probability into a percentage. Okay. The next is root cause analysis. If the sales get down or the up as per your projection, here you can see the reason of this. Like if the sales get down, so the number of highest strong inquiries get dropped, inquiry type of highest drop inquiries, highest drop inquiry from which back office or the sales team, and highest converted inquiries from back office or the sales team. So this is most important module for admin. Then customer feedback. After the tour completion, within 3 or 4 days, system will auto send feedback request to the customer on their email ID. So here you can see the sample feedback form, which is just kind of tick mark, like quality of travel services, quality of hotels or the accommodation services, sightseeing services, overall expectations from these tours, and satisfaction level. Once this form is get submitted, it will reflect into the sections user wise or the customer wise, so the admin can filter it and make the amendment into these services. Here are the widget like average feedback, love to travel again, counts, recommend to others counts, negative sales team feedback, dislike travel services, and dislike hotel services. So this is important to improve tour operator internal processes. So this is all about the business report.